You know, both of you have had an experience of America in your life. You know, Madhuriji, you moved there to live. Guneet, obviously your career's taken you in that path. And up until I feel very recently, we've always looked up to the West and America and Hollywood and all of this. But thankfully now, we were discussing earlier, that they're looking to the East. What have you found has been your journey between the two worlds that you've lived in, whether in terms of living or your work or your careers? How have you felt that, and what have you felt the differences or similarities?
Yeah. You have more experience with that.
You lived there. I think I've learned business. The business practices there are incredible because in LA they look at the whole world as business for a movie. And in India, we tend to look at India and the diaspora as our universe. So we look at Indians around the world, which is amazing. We are a huge, amazing, empowered population, and we love our movies and our movie stars, which is incredible. But I think that there is a perspective where out of LA, you look at the whole world, you look at the non-diaspora also as your audiences. And that's a journey that I lived on Lunchbox, and that's the journey that I more recently lived on Kill. And when you get feedback from Korea, from Japan, from Spain, from Azerbaijan, and you're selling those territories, and you're getting feedback, and you're getting amazing reviews, you're just like, this is our skin color, these are our technicians, this is our craft, and we took it further and expanded the world. You know, so that perspective of business came to me from LA. I'm excited to work in India and to distribute around the world. Basically, make films in India and use the dollar in our favor and distribute in dollars. So that is the journey I'm excited on, to expand the world of our culture, of our skin color, and to be able to, you know, like I keep saying that my dream would be to make a Brown Panther. You know, Black Panther box office is $2 billion. So why?
Imagine what the Brown Panther could do.
Exactly. You know.
$1 trillion film.
Yeah, पहले 2 billion तक पहुंच जाते हैं. अभी हम कुछ millions में हैं. And so you know, so more like, you know, where is the Crazy Rich Indians, or where? So I get inspired by the business side of Hollywood, which is taking their films and distributing on the whole world, not diaspora or non-diaspora. They're defining pop culture globally. You know, so I feel like the increasing conversation and power of the East and increasing amazing, incredible films like Parasite has happened. You know, I just feel it's time for us to do that, and I would love to be able to have that moment or create that story. So I'm on that journey. We've started making small dents, and one has to learn the business to navigate that. So yeah.